在河口，好像我为了明天的比赛，忘记是去看那个红色的。You got a certain little cute way of flirting with them. Their eyes, they make me feel so happy. 去买早餐。我早上起来的时候发现我长针眼，然后我刚刚去药局买了眼药水。人在河口湖，然后想要走去搭缆车，天气超好，好开心！我觉得好幸运哦，现在天气超好，你就可以看到完整的富士山，超漂亮。然后我现在拍完了一堆照，要去坐缆车。
Used at neighboring facilities.
好像一家人。
Please take advantage of this opportunity. The restroom is located.
拍到吗？
哎，刚好关机。瓦力，我完全睁不开。
okay? Yeah, I'm fine. Been trying to get a hold of you all night. We haven't talked in months, but that's alright. Was wondering if you wanted to go for a drive. I just need some fresh air and an old friend. I'm so glad that we started talking again. Yo, turn up the radio, I love this song. Remember when we used to stay up all night long? How's it been going? Oh, how's it, mom? The roads are so empty, this is so damn calm. If we stick on the high.
我来超商买东西吃，有点想吃这个烧鸟。我买了关东煮跟串烧。我现在在等搭车，在一个很漂亮的车站。是不是？哦，富士山。我买了2件衣服，现在要回新宿了。好，来日本喝珍珠奶茶。
Enjoy sitting in the car with is you. If it's fine by you, I'll take the passenger seat. We can drive around to the sky and see me. If it's fine by you, I'll take the passenger seat. I got my hand out the window, feeling the ocean breeze. If it's fine by you, I'll be beside you, staring out the window, looking at the summer view. Fine by you, I'll be next to you. If it's fine by you, I'll be
吃站着吃烧肉。
Just feeling minuscule.
How cute.
If it's fine by you, I'll take the passenger seat. If it's fine by you, I'll take the passenger seat. If it's fine by you, I'll take the passenger seat. If it's fine by you.
为了明天的迪士尼，我买了超多面包，一定吃不完。我现在终于快要到饭店了，然后我今天要超级早睡，因为明天要去迪士尼。
If it's fine by you, I'll take the passenger seat.